Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8, consisting of myself, Raiha Adira, Shariza and Alia Sofia. Our case study title is Flash Flood in Shah Alam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nur Syazah Yasmin dan matriks nama 2800. Okay, bahagian saya adalah chapter 2. Okay, kita start dengan engineering solution using green technology. Right. Floods in Shah Alam cannot be completely prevented, but their impact can be greatly reduced through sustainable and smart engineering solutions suited to highly urbanized region. Okay, first we have rainwater harvesting and storage system. Rainwater harvesting is one of the most effective sustainable methods for reducing surface runoff in urban areas. Buildings such as factories, malls and schools in Shah Alam can be equipped with rooftop rainwater collection system connected to underground tanks. The captured water can be reused for landscape irrigation, toilet flushing and cleaning. This approach reduces both drainage burden and water consumption, supporting Selangor's sustainable water policy. And next, we have bioretention system and rain gardens. Instead of relying on concrete drains, Shah Alam can introduce bioretention areas, also known as rain gardens, along walkways, parking lots, and industrial compounds. This landscape depressions temporarily hold rainwater, allowing it to slowly filter it into the soil. Native plants have absorbed pollutants and increased infiltration rates, making this a low-cost and eco-friendly flood control method. And next is modular stormwater tunnels and upgraded drainage networks. Many of Shah Alam's existing drains were designed decades ago and are unable to handle today's rainfall volumes. Installing modular underground stormwater tunnels made of precast concrete blocks beneath main roads such as Persera Selangor or Federal Highway routes can temporarily store and redirect excess water. These tunnels function as underground reservoirs, releasing water slowly into nearby rivers after rainfall subsides. Combined with routine drain maintenance and debris traps, the system strengthens flood resilience in industrial and residential sectors. Next is urban green roof system. This installation of green roof on high-rise buildings and factories in Shah Alam can play a dual role. First, reducing stormwater runoff and lowering building temperature. Vegetated roofs absorb part of the rainfall, delaying water flow to drains. Additionally, they help to reduce the urban heat island effect and improve air quality. Green roof technology aligns with the Malaysia Green Building Index (GBI) standards and can be promoted through local council incentive. And last is real-time monitoring and smart water gates. Implementing IoT-based flood sensors and automated water gate control system along key channels such as Sungai Damansara and Sungai Rasa enables quick response to rising water levels. The data can be integrated into the Smart Selangor Command Center (SSCC) to issue yearly warnings via apps and alert authorities to open gates or activate potable pumps. This smart drainage concept provides precise real-time information to minimize flood damage while enhancing public awareness and preparedness. That's all from me. Thank you.
Invention and innovation that promote environmental sustainability. The Shah Alam City Council and BSA have introduced several flood mitigation projects that combine engineering and green innovation. In 2022, MBSA approved 37 projects worth RM150.3 million, including the upgrading of drainage system, the construction of retention ponds, and the installation of IoT water level sensor for real-time flood monitoring. One of the most effective innovations is the permeable pavement used in Setia Alam and Section 30, which allow rainwater to seep into the ground instead of flowing into drains. MBSA also developed retention and detention ponds in flood-prone areas like Taman Sri Muda to store excess rainwater and release it slowly to prevent flash flood. This is an example of drainage system, retention ponds, and permeable pavement.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Nur Alesofia binti Jamal. Nombor kad matrik saya adalah 14DKM 23F 1085. So for my part is combining techno and community effort. Community-based early warning system use local sensor and weather data to detect rising water level. Next, alert system can include sirens, SMS alert, mobile apps and social media notification. Next, involve community volunteer to monitor rainfall and river condition. Lastly, encourage quick evacuation and reduce casualties during sudden flood. Next, for awareness and education campaign, first can conduct workshop and training for residents on how to respond before, during and after flood. Next, to educate the people about proper waste disposal to avoid clogging and drainage. Next, to distribute information material on emergency kits and evacuation routines. Lastly, promote participation in community flood during flood drills and preparedness programs. Next, pathway to sustainable flood management. First, to reduce flood risk through eco-design. Implement green infrastructure such as rain gardens, permeable pavement and green roof to absorb rainfall. Next, to restore wetlands and riverbanks to act as natural flood buffer. Next, to construct retention ponds and detention basins to slow down runoff. Lastly, use natural materials and landscape design that support water absorptions and filtration. Lastly, to promote sustainable urban development. Plan urban area with proper drainage and flood zone. Next, to limit construction on flood-prone land and promote vertical expansion instead of horizontal sprawl. Next, to integrate water-sensitive urban design principle. And lastly, ensure infrastructure is designed to withstand flood events.
In conclusion, the flash floods in Shah Alam highlight the urgent need for sustainable flood management strategies. Effective solutions combine smart engineering, drainage system, retention points, permeable pavements, green technologies, and active community participation. Continuous maintenance, early warning systems, and green infrastructure are essential to enhance urban resilience, protect lives and property, and support Malaysia's vision of climate resilient, sustainable city. That's all from us. Thank you.